All right, the iPhone 12 officially in stores today.
But is it worth an upgrade? Rich DeMiro joining us live from home with today's TechSmart. Rich, quick question for you. I know they're releasing two different types at a time, if I'm not mistaken. Which two and sizes of the 12 are they releasing today?
Okay, great question. 4 total iPhone 12s. I'll start at the beginning. There's the Mini, there's the 12, there's the 12 Pro, and there's the 12 Pro Max. The two they're releasing today are the two middle ones. So this one, the iPhone 12, and then the iPhone 12 Pro. So the biggest and the smallest phone, that will come out later in November. So today we're focusing on the iPhone 12. Like you said, it's in stores today. Lots of new features, including 5G. Let's take a look at what's new. iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, two phones that set the standard for what a smartphone should be. This year's design reminiscent of iPhone's past, with more squared off edges. Plus 5G, but that faster new signal will likely take a toll on the phone's battery life. There's also a stronger screen. Just kidding.
If your phone falls and it hits that ceramic shield, it will have a 4 times better chance of surviving without damage or cracking.
On the 12, a shiny back with matte sides. On the Pro, a matte back with shiny sides. The biggest difference, the camera setup. You get an extra lens on the Pro, which lets you zoom into your subject with better clarity and detail. There's also a laser scanner on the Pro for help with autofocus, especially at night. Cameras on both devices are simply amazing. You'll get great shots with less effort than ever. Video is the best I've seen on a smartphone. Low-light photography is improved, especially on wide-angle shots.
We're bringing night mode that was really popular, of course, last year. We're bringing that to the ultra-wide camera and the front camera, so you can take night mode selfies as well without using a flash.
MagSafe lets you magnetically attach accessories with perfect alignment and faster wireless charging. Expect to see many take advantage of it. One potential surprise in the new slimmer box: no headphones or power adapter. The included USB cable uses the newer USB-C standard to plug into the wall. You might need to purchase a new adapter. You can still use your old charging setup, it just might not charge these phones as fast. All right, now I think the iPhone 12 is going to be the sweet spot of features and value, probably the best device for most people. If you want the absolute best camera, of course, you're going to have to go with the Pro. Today's phones start at $799. If you want to learn more about them, I've got my full review online, richontech.tv, and I've got my full interview with Apple. It ran about 14 minutes, and we talked about everything about these phones in depth. You can watch that or listen to that in my podcast, also linked up on the website. Reporting live, I'm Rich DeMiro. Chris and Megan, back to you.
So, Rich, before we let you go, if someone's been dying to get their hands on one of these and they want to go with the, I'm going to see if I can get it right, the 11 Pro, why should they hold out a few more weeks?
You mean the 12 Pro?
12 Pro, I'm sorry. The 12 Pro. Why should they hold out for the Pro Max? What will be the difference?
Camera, right?
You know what? After I wanted the Pro Max, because that's the old phone I used to have, and I'm telling you, the size of this device, the 12 and the 12 Pro, oh, I got the flashlight on here, they're both the same size. They are the perfect size. I think that that's going to be the best phone. You get a bigger screen with the Pro Max, so if you want the absolute biggest screen and the absolute best camera, you got to go the Pro Max, but otherwise, I think the Pro or the standard 12 is going to be perfect size for 99.9% of people.
And I know we got to go. Pricing, real quick.
So the Mini starts at $699, then you've got $799, $999, and up to $1,099 for the top of the line model. Of course, those are for base storage. So it gets more expensive if you want more storage.
Got it. All right, now
Plus Apple Care. I'm kidding. All right, Rich, you're the best, man. I'm not kidding.
I know.
You're like, wait, what am I?